A common misconception that people have about doing a PhD is that your advisor is going to hold your hand and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to get your PhD. However, that's completely wrong. It couldn't be further from the truth. A PhD is very different from the schooling you've done from kindergarten to 12th grade to college. It's completely different because throughout the grades in college, you have a professor or a teacher who's telling you what to do. They tell you what assignments you need to do, and there's a deadline, and you have to do the assignment. You do it, you take a test, you get a grade. That's just how it works, right? The PhD is completely different. The PhD is completely independent. It is your job to make sure that you're doing the research. It is completely your job to make sure that you're doing the learning, you're doing the experiments, or whatever it is that you do your PhD in. Everything is under your control. Your advisor is there to advise you. So you do the work and you get feedback from your advisor, and they help you course correct and give you suggestions that you can then follow to then, help you achieve your goals during the PhD. And this is really important because if you have the wrong expectations going into your PhD, if you have the expectation that your advisor is going to tell you every little thing to do, then you will be disappointed. You will feel frustrated when your PI doesn't tell you what to do and expects results from you because they didn't tell you what to do. They expected you to do the heavy lifting because it's your PhD. So if you're thinking about doing a PhD, or if you are doing a PhD, you need to take initiative over your project. You need to figure out what your project is, how you're going to do it, present it to your PI, get feedback, and then that's how the advisor-student relationship works. Please have realistic expectations for your PIs.